Hello guys, this is the application which I am using as a free user, komoto.com, for my bike touring route planning. After, you need to choose route planner and don't go for bike first, okay? Just put the starting point, like for me Dubai, destination is Jabal Jais, Ras Al Khaimah. It's showing multiple routes because I not choose the bike. I want this route, and by default it's showing for the hiking. See, this hiking for, you can use for hiking this route as well. I choose this for my MTB bike. So by providing some details, bike type and the starting point, end point, and the route type, which is from Dubai to Jabal Jais one way, and for me from Jabal Jais to Diba, and I will use the Horfakan to Fujairah. So that's why I choose one way. So the Komoot will give you some summaries, like the total hours to reach destination from Dubai to Jabal Jais, and the total distance, which is 106 miles. Then zoom in. Once you zoom in, so you will get the correct street and roads, okay? But for me, I'm using this route. This one, start A, which is connecting to here somewhere else. Okay, this is straight road. There is yellow line. You can use there is big space and the yellow line, and very safe road. Okay, directly going to Ras Al Khaimah city. See, this is the Ras Al Khaimah city. No left, no right. This is not recommended for a solo rider to go for a long ride or bike packing without any data, without any mobile balance. This application also available in the mobile Play Store. You can download, you can use on same way. From Komoot, I am also using the Google Map for my planning to get the approximate distance, which is for day 1 for 149 kilometer. Okay, from Dubai to Jabal Jais stop. And second day same 154. This is my second day, right? Okay, almost same. I'll use the same route, this one, because cannot go somewhere else. This is the main road, and but don't be cross the yellow line. Okay, always keep your bike and yourself in the yellow line. And this is the day 3, and I'm always trying to cover the maximum distance. If I plan for the Jabal Jais or for Jabal Jais to Horfakan 160 kilometer, I'm always trying to do 180 kilometer. Guys, there's construction site in the Ajman city, So I bypassed the main road, Dubai Ras Al Khaimah road. So now my route is something like you see. So this is the main road which is I found it, but here's construction. So I get the road from here, bypass the Ajman main road, and I will get the Al Queen Ras Al Khaimah main road somewhere here or might be here if there is no construction. So I will get now my location, current location is here, which is somewhere to the vegetable market in the Ajman, and here I will take the left. Okay, I will cross the signal. I will check here if I can get the road and there is no construction, and then we'll straight go to here. Then hopefully there is no construction site on the main road, because and somewhere Al Queen or Ras Al Khaimah somewhere there is no service road or the bypass road, sensor like street road which I can use. So let's see, inshallah.